Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome to the channel once again. And in this video, we are going to do the sample paper standard mathematics for class 10 का part 2. अगर आपने part 1 अभी भी channel पे नहीं देखा, if you have not seen it, then quickly refer to the video on this channel. Yes, people. So welcome. Hello. Now I am sure that you guys are able to see me and hear me. Just mention it in the chats if yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the session. Welcome. Very good afternoon. OP people in the chats. Successfully, we had completed the first 24 questions in the previous video, which was part 1 of the sample paper. We will be completing a couple of questions today in this video as well. And then we'll also have the part 3 of your sample paper. So in 3 parts, we'll be finishing your sample paper. Just to inform you before we start, I am Vinay Bajaj, a verified educator on Unacademy, having an experience of 8+ years and have nurtured over 40,000 learners across the country. I've also been awarded with a Clever Invention Award. And I am pretty sure that you guys have followed me. If not, then the link is there in the description. You can go on Unacademy's website and follow me quickly because a lot of free content is waiting there as well for you all. Okay, chalo. So let's start, people. Yes. Okay, people. Welcome. Quickly settle down. Yes, are we guys ready? Ready, people. Chalo, we have the very first question on your screens, question number 24. Alright, in the given figure, arcs have been drawn of radius 7 centimeter each with vertices A, B, C, D of a quadrilateral ABCD as centers. Find the area of the shaded region. A very simple question. I will be giving you the hints here that you have 4 sectors here. The sum total of all the thetas. Okay? For example, you take this as theta 1, you take this as theta 2, you take this as theta 3, and you take this as theta 4. Okay? What will be the sum total of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4? It will be 360 degrees. Yes, guys? Just a second, it will be 360 degrees. There is some issue with the screen behind. Let me just rectify it and then we are good to go. Yeah, now it's rectified. Okay. Alright. So 360 degrees, correct. We have to just find the area of the shaded region, people. So, area of shaded region will be theta 1 upon 360 into pi r square plus theta 2 upon 360 into pi r square plus theta 3 upon 360 into pi r square. मैंने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है, कोई बात नहीं, ये वीडियो के बाद देख लेना. प्लस theta 4 upon 360 into pi r square. Now, can we take pi r square common? And can we take upon 360 common? Don't take 360 common. Only take pi r square common. Once you take pi r square common, you will get theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4, the whole divided by 360 degrees. And now you will have pi r square, the whole multiplied by 360 upon 360. So I'm marking a star here. We'll solve the remaining one here. We will only get pi r square. We will only get pi r square. That is nothing but 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 7. So anyone who can tell me the final answer in the chats? You get your final answer as 154 centimeter square. Is it very clear to everyone? This is your final answer. Is it very clear to everyone? Alright, we move on to the 25th question. To all the ones, those who want the solution of the 25th question, again refer to the video which is there on this channel, Trigonometry Made Simple. You can refer to that video and you will get the solutions of all the trigonometry sample paper questions there. So we move on to the next one. The same applies for this particular question. This is an OR question. 25th question का OR वाला part है. Again, you can refer to the video Trigonometry Made Simple and get the solutions for these particular questions. Chalo. Now, given that root 3 is irrational, real numbers question. Given that root 3 is irrational, prove that 5 plus 2 root 3 is irrational. Given that root 3 is irrational, prove that 5 plus 2 root 3 is irrational. Okay, people. So now I hope everyone is ready. In the chats, if you guys can hear me, just respond that you have started with the question so that we will start solving it. I want a reply from your end in the chats. The first and the foremost common statement, let, okay, the common statement, let us assume, I write assume not take. So let us assume 5 plus 2 root 3 is rational. Suppose we assume 5 plus 2 root 3 as rational. Then guys, it will be of the form, then it has to be in the form of P by Q. Yes. And P and Q are co-prime numbers. P and Q are co-prime numbers. I can say co-prime integers. Yes or no, people? And if I am telling P and Q are co-prime integers, Q will be not equal to 0. Q will be not equal to 0. Yes or no, people? Is that very clear to everyone? Chalo. Alright. I hope everyone is very clear till here. Now guys, can I write it as 5 plus 2 root 3 is equal to P divided by Q? So can I make root 3 as the subject and can I write P minus 5Q upon 2Q after taking LCM and everything? Yes, people, can I do that? Comment in the chat sections if yes. Can we do that? Of course we can do that, right? You take the 5 there, so you get P upon Q minus 5. You take the LCM, so you get P minus 5Q upon 2 upon only Q. You take the 2 on the left hand side, sorry, on the right hand side, and you get P minus 5Q upon 2Q. This becomes your part 1. Now if this is becoming your part 1, guys, now since P comma Q comma 5 and 2 are integers, since they are integers, also we know that Q is not equal to 0. Also we know that Q is not equal to 0. So can I say that LHS, that is root 3, will become a rational number? But guys, we know that root 3 is an irrational number. We know that root 3 is an irrational number. Therefore, 5 plus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Is it very clear to everyone? According to the statement, root 3 is a rational number, but we all know that root 3 is an irrational number. It is contradicting to the statement. So 5 plus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. So 5 plus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Chalo. Alright, we move on to the question number 27. A very simple question for everyone. It is a question from polynomials. We will do it with the help of polynomials ka explanation only. Now 2x, okay, minus 5x minus 3 is your one polynomial. So the value of a will be 2, the value of b will be minus 5, the value of c will be minus 3. So guys, alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a, which will be 5 by 2, and alpha beta will be equal to c by a, so we'll get minus 3 by 2. Okay, I hope everyone is very clear till here. Chalo. All right. Then guys, they have mentioned in the question clearly that what will be the zeros if they are double in value. Double in value matlab the new zeros. What will be the new zeros? It will be 2 alpha and 2 beta. So now your equation is x square plus px plus q. So a ka value will be 1, b ka value will be p, c ka value will be q. And now people, the new sum will be 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to minus p. So 2 common, alpha plus beta is equal to minus p. So 2 multiplied by 5 by 2 is equal to minus p. 5 is equal to minus p. Therefore the value of p will be equal to minus 5. Has everyone got this? Okay, this is with respect to the new zeros. Correct. हमने Unacademy के special class पे आज ही एक ऐसा question किया है. Absolutely correct. Okay, now after we do this, this was with respect to the sum of the new zeros, and now we do it with respect to the product of the zeros. So guys, when we are doing it with respect to the product of the zeros, so it will be 2 alpha multiplied by 2 beta is equal to c by a. Yes, so 4 alpha beta आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. We will have 4 alpha beta is equal to q by 1. So you will have 4 multiplied by minus 3 by 2 is equal to q. So q ka value will be what, guys? Comment in the chat sections. Q ka value will be Q's value will be minus 6. Absolutely correct. Is it very clear? Very clear. Very clear to everyone. So I'm there in the chat section. That is why I have to go down and see your chats for the answers. Okay. Alright. Chalo. We have the next question on your screens. P ka value is minus 5. Q ka value is minus 6. A lovely question out here which we have done many times on Unacademy Plus Iconic as well as on special class. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 6 km per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. So what we will do here is, we will take the actual speed to be as x. So what we'll do, we'll take the actual speed to be as x. And we will take the actual time taken to be as y. So speed will be in kilometer per hour, people. Time will be only in hours. So guys, comment in the chat section what will be the total distance then. Comment in the chat sections what will be the total distance then. Distance ka formula is speed into time. So what will be the total distance? Absolutely correct, Isha. It will be x, y, kilometers. It will be x, y, kilometers. Chalo. Perfect. Till here, I am sure that everyone has understood the concept. Now, guys, the increased speed will be how much? It will be x plus 6 km per hour. X plus 6 km per hour. Then the time taken will be y minus 4. Then the time taken will be y minus 4 hours. Yes, people. Then the time will be y minus 4. This was one situation. The other situation tells us if the train was slower by. So now the speed is reduced. So the decreased speed or speed decreased. Then it will be x minus 6 kilometer per hour. So now the time taken will be how much? Now the time taken will be y plus 6 hours. Then it will be y plus 6 hours. Yes, the peoples. And now we can easily frame the equations whatever we want. That will be, I'm writing it with the blue ink. It will be x plus 6 multiplied by y minus 4 multiplied by y minus 4 is equal to xy. And similarly, here I will have x minus 6, y plus 6 is equal to xy, because the distance will be the same. When you solve this, guys, when you solve this, you will get the value of x as 30. Solve equation 1, solve equation 2, you will get the values of x as 30 and you will get the value of y as 24. They have asked you the distance, that is the length of the journey. So the distance will be equal to xy, which is nothing but 30 into 24, which is 720 kilometers. Tally your answers with the answer which is there on your screens. I hope you all understood the question. The distance will not change because it is covering a certain distance, whatever the speed be. So you get this as your answer. Okay, chalo. Let's move on to the next one, people, quickly. And you guys can continue solving the question or the equations. Okay. Yes. We are done with this particular question. So now, the or wala part. So question number 28 also has the or wala part. It has an option which is comparatively very easy. Let's read it quickly. Now, Anuj had some chocolates. Okay. He divided them into two lots, A and B. He sold the first lot at the rate of 2 rupees for chocolates, 3 chocolates, and the second lot at the rate of rupee 1 per chocolate. He got total 400 rupees when he did this. If he had sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 1 per chocolate and the second lot at the rate of rupees 4 for every 5 chocolates, his collection would have been rupees 460. Find the total number of chocolates he had. So guys, number of chocolates, okay, in lot A, number of chocolates in lot A, let it be X. Number of chocolates in lot B be Y. So guys, what will be the total number of chocolates? Comment in the chat section. What will be the total number of chocolates? Comment in the chat section. What will be the total number of chocolates? Comment in the chat section. Very good. Again, it will be X plus Y. That will be your total number of chocolates. Now, the most important part. Price of one chocolate is equal to rupees 2 by 3. So price of X chocolates will be how much? Comment in the chat section. Price of X chocolates will be how much? Comment in the chat sections. quickly. Very good. It will be 2 by 3 multiplied with x. Hello, OPG. Correct? So now, what is the price of one chocolate? Y. ठीक है? One chocolate का price is one only. It is one only. So price of Y chocolates. This is what we are talking about the lot A. Okay. This is what we are talking about the lot A and B. A में this is the price of X chocolates. B में this is the price of Y chocolates. Okay. So now guys, can you tell me the first equation? Can you guys tell me the first equation? Can you guys tell me the first equation? Very simple. According to the given condition 1, your equation will be very simple. That will be 2 upon 3x plus y. Itna bech ke, how much is he earning? He is getting total 400. So you will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 1200. This is your equation number 1. Now guys, similarly, can I say that the next equation will be, x plus, it will be 4 by 5, y is equal to 460. So you will get 5x plus 4y is equal to 460 into 5 will give you 2300. This becomes your equation number 1. This becomes your equation number 2. I am pretty sure that everyone is clear till here. When you solve them, people, you will get the values of your x and y. So x ka value will be, solve equation 1 and 2. X ka value will come, I guess, it will come to 200 if not 300, sorry. X will come as 300 and y will come as 200. And they have asked you find the total number of chocolates. That will be 500. I hope the solution is very clear. Similarly, matlab price of one chocolate is 1 rupee. So price of X chocolates will be X rupees in the second case. According to the given condition 2, I can write here. Okay. And price of one chocolate, okay, price of 4 chocolates is price of 5 chocolates is 4 rupees. So price of one chocolate will be 4 by 5. So price of Y chocolates will be 4y by 5. All right. Chalo, we move on to the next one, people. But I would like to give you a break here from this particular session because guys, there is a lot of background voice going on. So we will stop this particular session till 28th question and we will be continuing. Okay. We will be continuing with the remaining questions in the next class, in the next YouTube video part 3, and we will finish all the questions. Okay. I just don't want to reduce your learning experience here with us on Unacademy. So wishing you all a very happy Dashera. Greetings for the day. Those who have yet not liked the video, please make sure you like the video. Comment in the chat section what is next you want me to do with maths on this particular video, or sorry, on this particular channel. And quickly subscribe and click on the bell icon. So like, share and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in the next class. Take care. God bless.